self-awareness is one of the biggest tools to healing. It's the first tool to being able to heal self. Culturally safe care can look like starting to be aware with self. I'm 40 and I have to be self aware. Why am I yelling at my kids? Why am I crashing out, as you know, in their terms? And what triggers me in my home? Because that's where subconscious shows up the most. Subconscious, when I say subconscious, we operate every day 95% of the time from a subconscious level. And that's why we talked a lot about blueprint, because when I see blueprint in someone's life or their history, their upbringing, their child, their inner child, their experiences, that's when that's the subconscious. And so culture, we talk about culture in some of my clients' history, culture and in their home was a physical abuse, verbal abuse, and all these things. Now they're raising their own children, and inside their home, from a subconscious level, they're repeating these things. And so it really is, for a culturally sensitive way of being able to apply some tools in your own life right now, is to become self-aware. What are my patterns? What triggers me? Why does my kid trigger me when they look at me a certain way? Oh, okay. It's because when I would look at my parent a certain way, that was disrespectful. Or if I asked my parents questions, they would hit me. So now when my kids ask me questions, you know what I mean? I get triggered. So I want to slap them. This is not my experience. This is experiences that I've heard in my office. And so self awareness is, I think, the biggest tool that anybody can do right now to help them in their mental health journey and um, progress. And like I said, it's generational. And so start being aware of yourself and how you live life in your day to day, and start questioning that. Start questioning everything.